Please note that I am not a qualified financial advisor, and this is like my own opinions. Should you invest in crypto right now? Let me explain the situation in plain English, like we're sitting in your lounge having a cup of tea. The financial experts are completely divided right now, and that's unusual. It's like having two doctors giving you completely opposite advice. The optimists like JPMorgan Chase say crypto will recover this year. They point to big institutions, like pension funds and investment companies slowly moving money into crypto, and possible new laws making it safer. Even BlackRock, the world's largest investment company, sees opportunities in this space. And then there is the pessimists like Standard Chartered. Standard Chartered says prices could fall further before they recover. They predict Bitcoin might drop to around $50,000 from about $65,000 now, before bouncing back to $100,000 by year end. That's a scary 23% potential drop if you buy today. There's a tool called the Fear and Greed Index. Think of it like a thermometer for investor emotions. Right now, it's at 5 out of 100. That's extreme fear. The last time it was this low was during the 2022 crash, when major crypto companies collapsed. Here's the interesting bit. When everyone is terrified, often means most of the selling has already happened. But it doesn't guarantee tomorrow will be better, just that the worst might be behind us. So should you invest? Here's my honest advice for someone in your position. Only use money you'd spend on a holiday. If you lose it, your life doesn't change. Your bills still get paid. Your cup of tea still tastes the same. Consider the dribble method. Instead of buying a big lump sum now, buy a tiny amount each month. If prices drop further, your next month's purchase is cheaper. It smooths out the bumps. Remember the 11% thief we mentioned in a previous video? Cash in the bank is losing value every year to that invisible thief, inflation and debasement. The question is whether crypto's ups and downs are worth trying to outrun that thief. And lastly, protect your savings first. Before any crypto, make sure you've got your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account and cleared any expensive debt. That's not my opinion. That's the kindergarten rules again. Follow them. No more excuses. The honest truth, nobody knows if crypto will go up or down next week. But here's what we do know. The big investment banks expect a bumpy ride with a possible recovery later this year. The investors who make money long-term are the ones who treat it like a savings plan, not a lottery ticket. If you do invest, size it small enough that you never lose sleep, because the best investment you can make at your stage of life might simply be protecting what you already have. That's it for today, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest advice.